guys, Anastasia here, and today's look is gonna be the Prism goddess look. This look right here. Yeah. Already done my foundation and my concealer off camera, so we about to go with the Prism look. Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette. So I really want to go for like a nice goddess look, you know, something kind of spicy time. I'm gonna use the Unity. First of all, let's stop to appreciate the colors though. Isn't this beautiful? Handy dandy notebook. Anybody remember glue clues? Okay, so I'm gonna use the, you know, to use like to cover up my lid, to just, you know, I've already primed it, so I want to set it now. You know, just want to set it. When I use black, I always want to use brown first because I feel like I could blend it easier. I'm not about to just put black right away because I want to, y'all don't see what I'm about to do. Y'all don't see. Y'all saw it already what I was going to do. So I'm going to use parallel on the lid. Right. So right now I'm covering the lid with the parallel color.
Okay. Right now.
I'm just using the parallel again and just putting it in the outer corners. And this part, guys, like blend it, you know. I gotta clean this brush, you guys, because if you see right here, it's like a little bit, like it's having a hard time blending right there. Fire hazard. So now I'm gonna take Pyramid, of course. Okay, you guys, so now I'm gonna just, with the Pyramid color, I'm gonna go very hard and just put it right here on the lid.
If you guys think that you should go and find whoever it is.
This could have been like a New Year's, if you guys saw my last video with my everyday makeup look, I didn't really celebrate New Year's, so this could have been like my, you know, like my New Year's look. Like, goddess, ready for 2019. Alright, you guys, so I packed the lid, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this, the blender, and I'm gonna take Obsidian and put it on the lid, honey, because we about to go all out. Like if it really was New Year's. And I know this looks really crazy right now, because even me, I'm like, oh, girl. See what I'm saying? And then I'll take, yeah. See what I'm saying? And then I'll take the brown and just blend it.